Hello and welcome to Meadow Brown Bakery. In this video I'll be showing you how to bake this delicious lemon drizzle bundt cake. Start off by preheating your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Add some lemon zest into a bowl with butter, oil and sugar, and then mix this together. You'll mix it until it's nice and light like this. And then you start adding your eggs one at a time and mix well between each egg added. Add some vanilla extract, flour, and yogurt. Mix this together until it's nice and smooth. And then put the mixture into your prepared cake tin. And then smooth the top over with a knife. And then bake in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes until it's nice and golden brown on top. Test with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, it's ready. Put it on a cooling rack and leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Get another cooling rack and put it on top of your cake tin and flip the cake over. And then make some holes in your cake all over the cake while it's still hot. And then spoon over some of this lemon drizzle until it soaks in your cake. And then just leave your cake to cool. And then put it on a serving plate. You can put some icing sugar on top. And then I'm going to cut it open so that you can see the inside. It's nice and cooked through. And it tastes great and smells great. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbrownbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.